This other guy coming up right now, this guy is a past collegiate champion in the big guns in 18.84. He makes 11.76. Let's welcome up Jesse Williams. Consistent with the weights, 9.60. Barring the penalty, is going to go to 9.35. Same thing?
It was tougher for me today. Yesterday, I only had one fish in the boat till about 10 o'clock. And then I caught all my fish after that. I probably caught 30 or 40 fish. And today, most of them came in the morning, and I struggled to catch keepers in the afternoon. So I had 4 fish in the boat at about 2:30, and I was fishing deep for spotted bass, and happened to get a good 2+ fish to help me out, but it was tougher.
We need to make a new start before they tear us apart. Set it off, brother, let it begin.
Good morning, it is 5:21, and we're heading to the boat ramp right now for the final day of the PAA tournament on Lake Dorman. I made it to the final day, made the cut, I'm in 20th place. Got the trolling motor fixed. Didn't have any more breakdowns, so I was able to finish the practice and got back on the water. But been catching all my fish pretty much on spoons, a Lake Fork tackle flutter spoon, and then another just little cheap old Bass Pro spoon. Just fishing about 30-40 feet deep for spotted bass mostly. So that's not something that I normally do. I had to break out light line, use the old sewing machine, spinning rod. So having to downsize a little bit and do some finesse stuff, but making it happen here, and hopefully we're going to go out today and catch another limit, finish up there in the top 10. So we shall see. But we'll see you at weigh-in Bass Pro this afternoon.
25-pound
better join the fight. Got to rise from these early roots. If you want the fruits, got to make it alright. I know it's hard to believe that those are deceived.
Then in 20th place, 18.84 pounds, the former collegiate champion, Justin Rackley. And 21st, Bass Snapper League champion, heel switch, one more time. Mr. Bobby Lane. Thank you. Good luck. In 22nd, a former Bass Snapper Classic champion with 18.73 pounds, Tucker here on board. Heel switch, one more time. No problem. Good luck. 18.72 got this former Bassmaster Classic champion to our top 30 gun. That's 23rd.
For you guys. Go on, brother, go on. Burn your name across the sky. Make a move for you guys. Go on, brother, go on.
Top 30 getting paid for going
work. That's a good thing. He's going to go 3.65. Going to bump you up a little bit. Obviously, Thursday a little tough on you.
Yeah, that's a lot tougher today.
See, one of the things is you got to remember Saturday they usually don't have school. So there you go. You couldn't find a